So friends, let's start with question number 14. Can you connect your VPC with a VPC created by another AWS? Okay. So yes, the answer is yes. Only when the owner accept your peering connection request. So first you need to understand there are three things we need to focus. Okay. What is that is, can you connect your VPC, means your private cloud, your virtual private cloud, which I have explained multiple times. So all of you know that in my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, I am explaining a real time project, guys. Okay. So you see there is one VPC. Basically it's a private cloud, right, for that particular organization. Which, suppose you have created your VPC for the dev environment, right? It is having different subnet over here, the subnet range over here, that is /26. You have created another VPC, okay, over here another data center, that is staging environment. And if you have to establish a connection between these two data center, then you need to go with VPC peering, because VPC peering is one of the type of gateway, guys. And when you have to establish a communication between two data center which is in private, right? Obviously if you have created your own data center, so it's going to be in private only. So you can see the definition also I mentioned. It allows a private traffic only over the private network. It will create a tunnel, right? Will act as a gateway between two different VPC. See, unlikely what a transit gateway, all of you know, guys, know that it's going to work a hub for different data center. But if you have to establish a connection between only two data center, okay, so you need to use VPC peering, though it's costly, but this is creates a tunnel between these two data center. But the question over here is, can we create or can we connect, okay, between two data center, which is, suppose this data center is one account and this another data center will be in another account. It's not at all. Suppose these two data center are in same region, right? In my example what I have explained in my real time project. But here the question is, can we establish a communication between two data center which is in two different account? Yes, we can establish a connection between two data center, between two VPC which is in two different account. But what you need to do in this case, that when that owner accept your peering connection, means being the, suppose if